1 by 2 plus 1 by 6 equals? Two by 3. The LCD of 2 and 6 is 6. 1 by 2 becomes 3 by 6. Add 3 by 6 plus 1 by 6 to get 4 by 6. Simplify by dividing by 2 and you get 2 by 3. Nice work! 2 by 9 plus 1 by 3 equals? Five by 9. The LCD of 9 and 3 is 9. 1 by 3 becomes 3 by 9. Add 2 by 9 plus 3 by 9 to get 5 by 9. Always convert the smaller denominator to the larger one, it saves time. 3 by 5 plus 1 by 10 equals? Seven by 10. The LCD of 5 and 10 is 10. 3 by 5 becomes 6 by 10. Add 6 by 10 plus 1 by 10 to get 7 by 10. Cannot simplify further, 7 by 10 is our final answer. 1 by 3 plus 5 by 12 equals? Three by 4. The LCD of 3 and 12 is 12. 1 by 3 becomes 4 by 12. Add 4 by 12 plus 5 by 12 to get 9 by 12. Simplify by dividing both by 3 and you get 3 by 4. Great simplifying. 1 by 2 plus 1 by 8 equals? Five by 8. The LCD of 2 and 8 is 8. 1 by 2 becomes 4 by 8. Add 4 by 8 plus 1 by 8 to get 5 by 8. Check if it simplifies. 5 and 8 share no common factors, so 5 by 8 is the answer. 2 by 3 plus 1 by 6 equals? Five by 6. The LCD of 3 and 6 is 6. 2 by 3 becomes 4 by 6. Now add 4 by 6 plus 1 by 6. The numerators add up to 5, the answer is 5 by 6. 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4 equals? One by 2. Great news, both fractions have the same denominator. Just add the numerators. 1 plus 1 equals 2, giving us 2 by 4. Now simplify by dividing both by 2, and you get 1 by 2. 2 by 5 plus 1 by 10 equals? One by 2. The LCD of 5 and 10 is 10. 2 by 5 becomes 4 by 10. Add 4 by 10 plus 1 by 10 to get 5 by 10. Simplify and you get 1 by 2. Beautiful. 1 by 4 plus 1 by 3 equals? Seven by 12. The LCD of 4 and 3 is 12. 1 by 4 becomes 3 by 12, and 1 by 3 becomes 4 by 12. Add them together to get 7 by 12. This one cannot be simplified further. 1 by 4 plus 5 by 8 equals? Seven by 8. The LCD of 4 and 8 is 8. 1 by 4 becomes 2 by 8. Add 2 by 8 plus 5 by 8 to get 7 by 8. It is close to 1 whole, only 1/8 away. 7 by 10 plus 1 by 5 equals? 9 by 10. The LCD of 10 and 5 is 10. 1 by 5 becomes 2 by 10. Add 7 by 10 plus 2 by 10 to get 9 by 10. It is close to 1 whole, just 1/10 short of a complete pizza. 1 by 3 plus 1 by 4 equals? 7 by 12. The LCD of 3 and 4 is 12. 1 by 3 becomes 4 by 12, and 1 by 4 becomes 3 by 12. Add them to get 7 by 12. Always find the LCD first, it makes everything easier. 1 by 5 plus 3 by 10 equals? 1 by 2. The LCD of 5 and 10 is 10. 1 by 5 becomes 2 by 10. Add 2 by 10 plus 3 by 10 to get 5 by 10. Simplify by dividing both by 5 and you get 1 by 2. Perfect. 1 by 5 plus 2 by 5 equals? 3 by 5. Both fractions already share the same denominator of 5. Simply add the numerators. 1 plus 2 equals 3. The answer is 3 by 5. Easy. 1 by 6 plus 1 by 4 equals? 5 by 12. The LCD of 6 and 4 is 12. 1 by 6 becomes 2 by 12, and 1 by 4 becomes 3 by 12. Add them to get 5 by 12. This fraction is already in its simplest form. 3 by 7 plus 2 by 7 equals? 5 by 7. Same denominator of 7, just add the tops. 3 plus 2 equals 5. So the answer is 5 by 7. Remember, the denominator tells us the size of each piece, it never changes when adding like fractions. 2 by 5 plus 7 by 10 equals? 11 by 10. The LCD of 5 and 10 is 10. 2 by 5 becomes 4 by 10. Add 4 by 10 plus 7 by 10 to get 11 by 10. This is an improper fraction, the numerator is bigger than the denominator. That is perfectly fine. 1 by 3 plus 1 by 6 equals? 1 by 2. The LCD of 3 and 6 is 6. Convert 1 by 3 to 2 by 6. Now add 2 by 6 plus 1 by 6 to get 3 by 6. Simplify that and you get 1 by 2. Well done. 1 by 8 plus 3 by 4 equals? 7 by 8. The LCD of 8 and 4 is 8. 3 by 4 becomes 6 by 8. Add 1 by 8 plus 6 by 8 to get 7 by 8. Notice how converting to 8s made this so simple. 1 by 2 plus 3 by 8 equals? 7 by 8. The LCD of 2 and 8 is 8. 1 by 2 becomes 4 by 8. Now add 4 by 8 plus 3 by 8 to get 7 by 8. It is just 1/8 away from a whole. 5 by 8 plus 1 by 4 equals? 7 by 8. The LCD of 8 and 4 is 8. 1 by 4 becomes 2 by 8. Add 5 by 8 plus 2 by 8 to get 7 by 8. Addition is commutative. 4 by 9 plus 2 by 9 equals? 2 by 3. Same denominator of 9, add the numerators. 4 plus 2 equals 6, giving 6 by 9. Now simplify by dividing both by 3 to get 2 by 3. Always reduce to lowest terms. 2 by 3 plus 1 by 9 equals? 7 by 9. The LCD of 3 and 9 is 9. 2 by 3 becomes 6 by 9. Add 6 by 9 plus 1 by 9 to get 7 by 9. Check for simplification, 7 is prime, 7 by 9 is already in lowest terms. 1 by 6 plus 1 by 3 equals? 1 by 2. The LCD of 6 and 3 is 6. 1 by 3 becomes 2 by 6. Add 1 by 6 plus 2 by 6 to get 3 by 6. Simplify by dividing both by 3 and you get 1 by 2. Excellent. 3 by 8 plus 1 by 8 equals? 1 by 2. Same denominator of 8, just add the tops. 3 plus 1 equals 4, giving 4 by 8. Now simplify. Divide both by 4 and you get 1 by 2. Always simplify your answer. 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3 equals? 5 by 6. The denominators are different, now we need a common denominator. The LCD of 2 and 3 is 6. 1 by 2 becomes 3 by 6, and 1 by 3 becomes 2 by 6. Add them together and you get 5 by 6. 2 by 7 plus 3 by 7 equals? 5 by 7. Same denominator again, lucky us. Just add 2 plus 3 to get 5. The denominator stays 7, the answer is 5 by 7. Remember, never add the denominators. 3 by 4 plus 1 by 8 equals? 7 by 8. The LCD of 4 and 8 is 8. Multiply 3 by 4 by 2 to get 6 by 8. Now add 6 by 8 plus 1 by 8. That gives us 7 by 8. Almost a whole, but not quite. 5 by 6 plus 1 by 6 equals? 1 by 1. Same denominator of 6. Add 5 plus 1 to get 6. Now we have 6 by 6, which equals exactly 1. When numerator equals denominator, the fraction is a whole number. 3 by 10 plus 2 by 5 equals? 7 by 10. The LCD of 10 and 5 is 10. 2 by 5 becomes 4 by 10. Add 3 by 10 plus 4 by 10 to get 7 by 10. The numerator 7 and denominator 10 share no factors, so this is our simplest form.